What's going on, guys? It's Anthony with Drone, and this is a 1-year review of the AirPods Max. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so here we are. I have my AirPods Max, and I've had these for 1 year now, which is crazy. Well, if I'm being honest, it hasn't quite been 1 year yet, but by the time this video is posted, it will be 1 year, so I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. So here they are on my head. This is what they look like. I have the space gray AirPods Max. They come in several different colors, and I always go with black because I have black Apple Watch, black phone, black computer, black headphones, so that is my aesthetic. But if you're a colorful person, there's plenty of different color options. I feel like now that I've hit a year, I can really tell you guys how these things have held up. How is the sound quality? Has the build quality held up? Like, are the headphones in good shape? Those types of things. So let's start with sound quality, because that is the #1 reason why you're gonna buy these. Now, with headphones, as you use them, you can wear out the speakers and you can get diminished sound quality. However, with high-end headphones, this is a little less likely, but obviously throughout its whole lifetime, it's gonna diminish in quality over time. After a year, these headphones sound exactly like they did when I opened them out of the box. They have amazing sound quality. The bass, the spatial audio, everything still works as beautifully as it did on day one with these headphones. The noise cancellation even still works really great. And I love having these headphones, especially when there's other people home in my house. It's easy for me to just turn on the noise cancellation and not have any distractions as I'm editing or watching TV or whatever I'm doing. When I'm home, you'll probably see these on my head about 80 to 90% of the time. I use them to watch TV with my Apple TV in both my living room and my bedroom. I use them on my iPad. I use them on my Mac when I'm doing video editing. So pretty much this is what I'm doing when I'm home, is wearing these for the most part. So with that being said, how has the quality held up? Well, first of all, they have pretty amazing quality. These headphones have held up incredibly well. Even the ear cups have held up really well. I do work out with these on, even though it is actually recommended that you don't work out with these on, which I think is silly because they're so comfortable to wear. Like, why would you recommend that I not work out with these on? But I guess it's because your sweat can actually get into this speaker part and damage it, which is interesting. And I've actually noticed after workouts, when I take the ear cup off, I have noticed some condensation inside of the actual ear cup. I don't know why Apple wouldn't have made this a little bit more waterproof, especially for people that want to work out. I still wear these when I'm on the treadmill, and honestly, they've held up just fine, even though it's recommended that I don't do that. Another thing that I was concerned about when I first got these headphones was this little mesh part here at the top. I was afraid that this could rip very easily or get caught in something and rip, and honestly, I've had no issues with that at all. Even the entirety of the headband is in really good condition. I don't see any signs of wear or tear on this. So one of the most annoying issues that I've had with these is there are times when I put them on and they won't connect to anything. They won't connect to my phone, they won't connect to my iPad, my Mac. It just, when I put them on, it sounds like they're stuck in noise cancellation mode and they just can't connect. And it's very frustrating, but it's a very easy fix. All you do is you hold down the 2 buttons on the top here, the noise cancellation button and the dial, the volume dial. Press down, and then the headphones will do like a soft reset, much like your phone would. And then they work beautifully after that. And it only takes like less than 30 seconds to do that. Overall, would I recommend these after 1 year? Yes, I totally would. I've flown on airplanes with them. They are great. The noise cancellation is so awesome on an airplane. And they're just very comfortable. Sometimes I even forget that they're on my head, especially in transparency mode, because it just becomes a part of, it's like a piece of jewelry. It's just on your body and you just don't even think about it. It's really weird sometimes. Obviously with noise cancellation mode on, with it being so good, you can tell that you're wearing noise canceling headphones. But anyway, guys, that is pretty much it. I went over everything I needed to in this video. If you think of anything else or have any questions that you have for me about these headphones, definitely shoot me a comment down below and I'll try my best to answer all of your comments. But anyway, if you liked the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And also please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way it ranks higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.